Brassola. I got a decent amount actually, even though it's all scraps. Wave high for the camera, everything must go, YouTube. We're just making it out of nothing today, but we came up with a load. YouTube. Good morning, good morning. I just picked up a bunch of pallets and pieces of fence for an extremely low price. And there's 2 MD specials in there. Right now, I'm going to pick up a stove at that house right there, and that's where I did the deck demo like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I'm gonna get that stove, probably drop it at my storage unit, and then go empty my bed. I don't know if I'm scrapping today. I guess I am recycling. We'll go out and make a load, guys. Let's get it. Of course you can get a shirt, Mike. Absolutely, buddy. I'm gonna leave it here now. And we're gonna grab the stove. This one right here. This is the yard I demoed that deck. This guy's gotta go. Okay, there's a toaster in there, and looks like another 2 toasters actually. Cool. That works. Let's go get a hand truck and load this up, guys. Yeah, there's 2 MD specials right here, and the rest is all trash, but obviously we're gonna keep the metal. Gotta move some stuff and put that stove probably right here. One moment. This thing's actually super heavy, believe it or not. Take some weight off it, even though it's not much. Like, this doesn't weigh anything at all. Wave high for the camera. Hope everybody's having an amazing holiday season. I've had a cold for like 4 days. Not very happy about that. A bunch of toasters. Lots of toast. Lots of bagels and toast. Yeah, this guy is like extra cool. He lives by my brother. You the man, Mike. There's your shirt, bro. Hopefully nobody takes it. 3 toasters. We cut the cords, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna load this up, guys. Real quick, there's all the weight. This is all pretty heavy. All right. Okie dokie, YouTube. Got all the metal out. Put the stove away. And the 2 MD specials. Shout out to Salvaging and AZ. Cut the cords, go nut the cords. I'm gonna go to the landfill right now and probably go street scrapping. I might have a shed to go tear down in Harford County. Let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm at the landfill. I wasn't even going to record. Looks like they're throwing a whole boat away over there. That's different. I didn't know you could bring whole boats here. And I thought you had to take them to a scrapyard, honestly, but I guess not. It's a big old boat. Ladies and gentlemen, I got a marine battery back there and a couple chair frames. Right now, I'm going to get a little bit of metal out of here. It's not much. There's like a bed frame and something else. Somebody threw some tables. There's a bed frame up there in that corner. There's a little bit of metal in here. We're going to get what we can real quick. could get a screw gun out and get all this loose, small stuff. There's a whole bunch of these desks broke up and that table frame over there. There's some metal in here. I just would have to work to get most of it. Probably need a drill. See a Phillips. All these have metal frames on it if I feel like doing all that. There's another piece of metal down there. Some cords. There's a bed frame. I'm gonna get this bed frame as well. Sheesh, this is gonna take a little bit, guys. There's another chair frame or something down there. Okay. I'm gonna probably turn this off for a minute. This is gonna take forever. I see a couple bed frames actually. I'm gonna need some snips and a drill. Probably even a saw, because looks like this bed frame is like stuck under a whole bunch of stuff. Time versus reward, guys. Time versus reward. And there's some plumber's brass. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get some hand tools and come back here. One moment. We got all the tools, guys. Let's go get a bunch of metal out of here. Like, I could even take this metal off of each one of them if I feel like it. Yeah, there's frames all in these, so that is metal. We could get it. Right now I want that plumber's brass, bed frame, and whatever else. Wires, bed frame, definitely want the brass. There we go. Brassola. Whoops. More brass. There's a microwave, a metal shelf, another metal shelf. Yeah, there's some metal in this dumpster. More than it looked like, guys. Plumber's brass. You just gotta go get it, that's all. Okay. Plumber's brass. We don't want the plastic. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be here for a little bit, so I'm gonna turn this off. Maybe in a little while I'll show you what all I grabbed, but I gotta get this microwave, both of these metal cabinets out of here, and whatever else. There's a decent amount of metal in here, guys. There's a heavy toilet on the top of this. Get more footage in a little bit. Okay, I've been here about 25 minutes taking all this stuff apart. Let's go see what I threw out. It's a decent amount. There was a decent amount of metal in here. I just had to go work for it. All that except that box, and then all this came off of them shelves. It's scraps, but it's metal. I'm gonna load it up, guys. That's definitely scrap. We're scrapping today, guys. Bunch of smaller stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna load all this up and then go back in there and get a little bit more. I pulled every piece, the locks out of the drawers and all. This could be brass, but I'm not sure. I don't know. A lot of toilets got brass inside of them. Yeah, I believe that's pure brass. I could be wrong, but I think it is. We don't want that in the steel bucket, if so. Saving all the pure aluminum, like out of these right here. My brother got crucible and all that kind of. We're gonna start melting down metal soon, guys. I'm definitely getting some footage of that soon. All right, I'm gonna load all this up and continue on. Probably get more footage when I leave here. Still wait. Still wait. YouTube. After I left that neighborhood up there, there's a red shelf next to this auto place, and I asked them could I have it. I walked in there and they said yeah. And I told the lady I didn't want to just take it, and she was like thank you, and I was like no problem. But it's metal, so it's getting recycled. I'm gonna take these plastic pieces off and throw them away, and then we're heading out. It's kind of a slow day on the scrapping, but I got a stove in my storage unit as well. I got a little bit of non-ferrous, like wires and a car battery, not a lot, but we're getting some. I'm gonna take what I can to the yard. It's gonna probably be low paying, and then I got a job to go look at afterwards. Let's get it, guys. Grinding. YouTube. I got that rack. I grabbed 2 speakers at some other apartments. Pieces of a clothing rack. There's not too much out here, guys. There's more of a clothing rack up here. But we're still hustling. I know for a fact this area has rats in it, and that's not cool. I'm gonna pick them boxes up. Don't leave a mess. People don't like that, guys. Plus, the maintenance dude here is very, very cool. I've been over here a whole bunch of times before. Dude, I almost bought eggnog last night, but I didn't. I like eggnog. Everybody don't like it, but I do. It's really good. Some people mix it with alcohol in the winter. I don't drink a lot, to tell y'all the truth. Don't drink and drive. You can smoke and fly. There's a clothing rack, guys. We're gonna keep moving. Oh, there's a shopping cart. Let's get it. grinding. Let's go, let's go. We'll find a little bit more metal. I just got a very little bit of lights and stuff from one up there. Now this one has a decent little bit of crap thrown in here. Plumber's brass. That works. Oh, that's like an apartment clean out. They get a bag and they get all the light fixtures and all that kind of stuff, and they switch out the stove things and everything. Now we got a little plumber's brass collection going. They're thrown up in that corner, most of them. I'm gonna cut this one up. Yeah, bed. These things, usually steel plates. Metal. Plastic, metal. Metal. Brass. Zinc, I believe that's poured zinc. Metal, plastic, steel on that side. Get more footage in 1 minute. Just got a steel screen door frame, and it looked like half of a garage door frame. Ceiling part. There's a bunch of crap up here, but it looks like scrappers already came through here, but I'm not sure. If there's anything here, we're grabbing it real quick. I was talking about, this looks like, yeah, high spring tension. It's a piece of garage door. That's aluminum, huh? And then that steel frame up there. There's no garages in this whole neighborhood, so that's weird. Somebody came and threw it out. We only need the metal, guys. I think this has been pillaged, if I had to guess. We got 2 little pieces and that's it. Boy, today been a slow little scrap run. We need 500 minimum. We can't have like a $82 day. Where's all your rotors and stuff? There ain't any. Shoes, we don't want any shoes. Some kind of bathroom hanging, yeah, shower thing. That's metal. We need it. Alright guys, I think I'm going to the storage unit, loading up and heading to the yard. There's not much here. Baby lacrosse sticks. Trash, trash, trash. Metal chair. Like I was saying in my last video I just posted, It seems like if you keep going, out of nowhere, you'll get a lot of stuff sometimes. Like you'll have nothing for 4 hours and then all at once you get like a full load sometimes. But if you quit, you ain't gonna get any of it. Piece of a washing machine. That looks like some kind of printer, 3D printer maybe. It's metal. All right guys, I'll get more footage in a little bit. I came in my old neighborhood on the way to my storage unit, and I believe that might be a microwave. It looks like it. And maybe a chair or something. I'm gonna turn around and grab it real quick. Okay guys, there's a headboard with 2 metal things with flathead screws, and then a couple like VCRs or stereos or whatever. I'm gonna really quick grab this. They happen to leave the dumpster area unlocked, so I might have to look in there really fast. We need a flathead right here. It's like 3:15. I don't have that much time.
Okay, that's loose.
I'm gonna throw all this in here and we're out of here, guys. Okay. Behind here looks like, yeah, a couple little screens. This ain't much. That's plastic. These are probably aluminum. Quickly now, quickly now. Boy, I used to climb in this dumpster so much. I found a microwave at the other location too. Yeah, this was never here. And people used to throw so much crap here. But I liked it because, oh, there's a metal door frame. I don't know how I can get that right now. And there's glass in it. Shoot. We want that door frame. I don't have a lot of time either. Still gotta go to my storage unit. Let's go. Okay, YouTube, I'm in a humongous hurry. Imagine that. I got a little bit of brass here. Got some plumber's brass in here. I'm gonna cut this up. I'm gonna load all this as fast as I can and fly to the yard. I also grabbed this out of the woods at the last location. I got a decent amount actually, even though it's all scraps. Wave high for the camera. Everything must go, YouTube. We're just making it out of nothing today, but we came up with a load. Yeah, we're gonna turn this into all brass. We'll get more footage after I get on the road, because I'm in a super big hurry or I'm gonna miss this trick altogether. Okay, YouTube, approaching the scale. $69.20. Not bad. Let's go throw this out, guys. Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna do this as fast as possible. I still got an estimate to do after this, like 20 minutes from here. Like a tearing a shed down. This is mostly aluminum, and I should have took these bolts out and I didn't. I wonder if they'll take it as dirty. Maybe. This is a random load. Random indeed. Ready? Whoops. Bye-bye, Mr. Stove. Here's the telescope. All right. I'm gonna throw all this out and get more footage in a little bit, guys. It's a beautiful day. The sun's going down too. Sheesh. Okay guys, got all that thrown out. I got some dirty aluminum, a little bit of wires, a little bit of brass, and one battery. Marine car or truck battery, and that's it. $62.20. Let's go do this non-ferrous and get paid, and then we're out of here, guys. They close in like 5 minutes. Huh. Okie dokie. YouTube. So I was the very last person there today, and she said the steel weight ticket would not print. It's not a big deal. It wasn't a real huge load anyways. The non-ferrous, I believe she said the steel weight was $52 total for the steel weight. And then the non-ferrous brass irony, 12 pounds was $16.20. The wire was $19.60. That battery was $6.15. 68 cents for cast aluminum. Dirty sheet aluminum was $4.20. That was $45 for a grand total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 6, 7. 97 total. I'm okay with that. It's better than not working today. I did a small job this morning as well, and the guy got that t-shirt I dropped off, and he said thank you, he's gonna work tomorrow. Thank you, Mike, you the man. Appreciate everybody for watching. Everything must go on to the next one. Arr.